I want to be honest with you. When I started my English speaking journey, I made many mistakes every day. Today, I will share 5 mistakes that I personally stopped making, and if you are learning English, this will help you a lot. Please watch till the end because the mistake number 5 changed my confidence. I am not a perfect English speaker. I'm still learning English just like you. But every week I try to fix one small mistake, and today I want to share all those corrections with you. So let's get into the video. Mistake number 1. Mistake number 1 is the sentence I am agree with you or I agree with you. Earlier I used to say I I am agree with you because I did not know about uh, I'm agree with you and I agree with you. But now I learned that agree is a verb and we don't use it uh, with uh, am. So the correct sentence will be I agree with you. Just like I agree with you or I am agree with you, I am agree with you will be the wrong and the correct is I agree with you. Mistake number 2 is he don't like tea or he does not like tea. What will be the correct? Actually, this mistake reduced my confidence a lot. Always remember that with he, she, it, we use does not. So the correct sentence will be what? He does not like tea. What? He does not like tea. This will be the correct sentence. Don't skip. The next mistake is very common in daily life. Mistake number 3 is very much people are here. Many people are here. What will be the correct? I used to translate from my language. Very much is not used with people or things. Use a lot of or many. So the correct sentence will be many people are here. Many people are here. Mistake number 4 is I did not went there or I did not go there. After did we always use the base form of the verb. Remember this rule, did plus base form of the verb. So the correct sentence will be I did not go there. I did not go there. When I stopped making this mistake, I felt more confident while speaking. Mistake number 5 is I am knowing him or I know him. What will be the correct sentence? I know him. I know him is the correct sentence. Why? Because now is a verb and we did not use it in the continuous tense. So the correct sentence will be what? I know him. I know him. Let's quickly revise all these 5 corrections. The correction 1 is I agree with you. The second one is he does not like tea. The third one is many people are here. And the fourth one is he did not go there. And the last fifth one is I know him. Practice these small sentences daily. Small steps make big improvement. I am learning English step by step and you are not alone in this journey. If you found this video helpful, watch the next one and we will improve together.